Many business owners may want their repairmen to have access only to relevant menus and services in Finty, such as the Repair Shop Management menu, while disabling other menus or services to restrict access. This setup means repairmen would only be able to issue repair tickets, view shelf status, and in short, have access only to the services within the Repair Shop Management menu, with no access to the rest of the software. Disabling menus and services in Finty is an easy process. The account holder or the manager of a company simply needs to go to the user's menu and then the access service. If the repairman has already been added to the software, you can select their name from the list. And if they haven't been added yet, first, use the New button to add them. Then click on their name on the list, for example, this repairman, and then go to Config Services. Each option here represents a service within the menus. And by unchecking any of these options, you can disable that service for that selected repairman. You can repeat this process for each of your staff members, enabling or disabling specific services as needed. As the account holder, you can easily access each staff member's panel by clicking on the eye icon here. So first, let me show you which menus and services are currently visible in this repairman's panel. And then I'll uncheck a few services to show you what changes in his panel. As you see, this repairman currently has access to a range of menus and also services. Now let's go back to disable some of them. By clicking the arrow icon, you can return to the manager or account holder's account. Now let's uncheck some of the services for this repairman. And save. Now let's check the changes in this repairman's panel. As you can see, all menus except for Repair Shop Management menu have been disabled and no longer appear. So this repairman's access to the software is now fully restricted, preventing him from viewing all data. In summary, business owners can easily customize access in Finty to suit their personnel's needs in a modular way with just a few clicks. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.